So this is version 2 of the hand mold. A few minor adjustments made the stop at the bottom wider and corrected the geometry, and made the neck wider. It's still warping in a few places, but that's my printer. I didn't want to run it through the 15-hour superfine scale print, so I did it on a quick. But it is functional enough that it should be able to pour. It slides nicely, so we can kind of, well, I mean, you know how these things work. I have a milliput focus. Thank you. I have a milliput push mold that I made of some 12-point body. I don't know what that is, and I'm just going to hold it in place. This is obviously, if you know what you're looking at, it is missing a few things. The wooden surround to stop yourself from burning. That's not going to matter much because it's just a prototype. It's not used for casting metal. If you're making this for yourself, because I'll be releasing the files later on today, do not cast metal in this. You will burn yourself horribly. Yeah, so it's missing the wooden surround, and it's missing the pin there that would lock that in place, and the overarming pin that would lock that, again, lock it all in place. But it is, as a demonstrative thing, it's perfect. You'd be able to take this to a machinist and be like, copy this for me, but like obviously true it up, and you would have yourself all of the metal components to make an 1605 Typefounders hand mold. This is really dumb, stupid idea, but I have no personal regard for my own personal safety, and I am impatient. Do not try this at home. Huh. So I kind of thought that was going to leak everywhere. This will need a while to cool off, so I'll check back in a second. Right, so it's been in the freezer for a little bit. It should have solidified, and yeah, let's see if it actually poured all the way through, or if it just got caught in the well. It being wax, there's a good possibility that that's what's happened. But yeah, let's crack it open and see what we have. If it will actually open now. Come on. Wax might not have been the best. Oh, here we go. Well, let's grab that. Let's have a look. The impression isn't great, but it would have solidified before it was able to take proper shape. Obviously, like metal, you've got a little bit longer to play with, and it's denser, heavier, so it will flow. But that said, it's not bad. A little bit of leakage, but again, that is, I think, from as much the 3D print not being perfect. But yeah, fuck it. It works. It works way better than I was expecting. Um, yeah, I will take some proper like macro pictures of the face. And again, that's snapped because it's wax and not metal. But yeah,